Hello and welcome back. Hope you're all well. I'm up at the caravan because today we are taking it home to give it a really good clean. So I need to just sort out inside. I need to put the cushions back, take the solar panel out, shut the doors. I'm just going to check the motor mover to make sure that works, because I need that to put it on our driveway. So I'll just tidy all this up and then we'll check the motor mover, get it hitched up and tow it home and see how it goes on its first tow. I'm expecting some squeaky noises from the wheels when we're towing back. Let's see what happens. We'll plug that in, switch that on, see if this works. So we'll just right, we're hooked up. It's been a while. I almost forgot towing mirrors. Yeah, you need those on. That's quite critical. So I've put those on because I forgot initially. Good job keeping them in the caravan. I sprayed the hitch with some brake cleaner. The tow ball needs cleaning and the hitch probably needs just a bit of attention, so I've just sprayed that with some brake cleaner just to lubricate it a little bit. So far we're on in the storage. We'll test the brakes. There's a hill here, we're just going to test the brakes on the hill. So we're just going downhill, just get a bit of speed and we'll just apply the brakes. No squeaking from the brakes there. I'm suspecting a little bit, but nothing. It's a bit windy, so we're just going to take it a little bit easier going back. I've taken the awning out of the caravan, the big Vango 35 kilogram heavy as anything, and I've put that in the boot of the car just to give me a bit of weight in the car. It feels okay. It's not loaded up, the caravan. I've not done the nose weight because there's nothing in the caravan really, so there's really no, for the short distance I'm going, there's no need to do that. So let's get it home and give it some TLC and get it cleaned. Right, it's on the driveway. Let's have a look at this roof, because we're going to do the roof. No, everybody's saying ladders, I'm not leaning them against the caravan. Well, it's not too bad, not as bad as I thought. I'm going to clean it from the other side, then the ladders are leaning against the right way, but that's not too bad at all. Right, let's get the roof cleaned. What am I going to be using for cleaning the roof? Just Fenix, that's all I'm going to be using on the roof. I'm going to give it a swirl off first, and then I'm going to spray some Fenix off and brush the roof off. So let's get cracking. Right, so a couple of hours later and the caravan's cleaned. Hardest bit was the front of the van. All I've used is Fenix. I've not washed it, I've not waxed it or anything. I'm not going to do that yet. It's not bad for well, it's over 10 years old now. Some little bit of marks, but nothing too major. Hardest bit was the front. Getting the muck out of these here. Why they put them on, I don't know. I challenge any caravan manufacturer to make the body completely smooth, then there's no pieces like that where it can collect muck. Angela's been doing the inside while I've been doing the outside, and it's all, I've even done the wheels. I'm just going to put some tyre dressing on them, but yeah, it's looking good. Right, need to get it back to the storage now. Right, all back in the storage bay now, all nice and clean. Yeah, pretty impressed with it. I've done all the outside and Angela's spent a couple of hours on the inside. Let's open that up. Completely sanitised everything, antibacterial everything. I've got to put these trims back on. Somebody asked me what we stick them back on with, and to be fair, we don't actually stick them back on with anything. We just push them back on because they're only going to fall off again. There's no point tacking them on with glue. You probably could do, but we're not going to do. Yes, Waste Master, don't need that. I'll take that out another day because we don't need it. Yeah, but it's completely smells beautiful in here. Wish I had smell-o-vision on. Leave that door open. Yeah, it's really nice and clean. Everything's sorted. We're going to take these off, these fly screens off when we're away, and just give them a clean. But the van is completely all ready for going away in a couple of weeks. So that's a short video cleaning the caravan, all ready for going away. Thanks to all the new subscribers. We've had quite a few recently. We really do appreciate your support. You know, it doesn't go missed at all. We're going to keep the contact going. We've got a trip planned soon, and we'll have some content from there. So, you know, and no doubt something will break while we're away, because you know, it always does. So there'll be some sort of fix going on while we're away. I've done the tyre pressures. What else have I done? We've checked all the main system, the consumer unit, everything's okay, all the lights are okay, so it's all ready, rock and roll, ready to go. We're probably away by the time this vlog comes out. So thanks for watching, you take care, and we will see you very soon. Bye bye.